up, YouTube? It's your girl Nisha with 2 A's, back at it again with another video. Okay, so in this video, y'all, I will be posting my first Instagram tutorial that I just did today on this hairstyle. I did not include this braid I have at the top. But what I also wanted you guys to know is that I will be coming back with some better content. And I will be coming back with some better lighting, guys, because the lighting in my room, as you all know, I always say this, is terrible. So my dad got me, I ain't gonna show y'all because y'all gonna see the camera, but it's light. It's a mirror with lights on there, and it got like an extra magnifying mirror up here. And it got it Bluetooth music, and I can answer somebody's phone call from off there. Anyway, y'all, but I ordered me like a better, like a ring light. I ordered me one, but it don't come until when? The 16th or the 19th. Yeah, it don't come to the 16th or the 19th of this month. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for me to be doing a video on that Aztec clay mask. I will be putting some on my face and on my hair, guys. So period. I forgot what I also didn't add into the video. I did not include me putting color in my hair. Y'all can't really see it right now, but the video that is at the end of this video, you guys are gonna see I put some gold hair paint wax, guys. So yeah, that's just what I forgot to tell y'all. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bass. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name and D-Yo-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the fofo. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do it.
Enjoyed this short little mini tutorial video and a little extra information about my YouTube channel. I will be uploading more short tutorials and longer tutorials. If you guys want to check that out, you can go to my hair Instagram page at Nisha with 2 A's got curls, and that's period. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Until next time, bye.